Hello, hello. Testing, 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Testing, testing, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, good news, great news, great news. Good news is bad news is good news. That's how it works. But it is lower than expected. Everybody's buzzing. We love Joey B. Joey B. Good morning, everyone. Like up the stream. Like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. Good morning, everyone. Post some tickets, questions, all that kind of stuff as normal. I have a lot of Twitter stuff to go over, and then I will go over you guys. All right. So much money was made this pre-market if you were in the Discord, as well as following me on Twitter. But Discord absolutely killed it. Killed it, killed it, killed it, killed it, killed it. Right, let me go through all of these posts here. Everyone's banging on about certain stocks. They want an update every 2 seconds. Guys, I cannot hold your hand. Focus on the chart, time frame. Look at the top left of the chart that I post, and then work from there. Right, I'm not going to hold your hand. If you want me to hold your hand, join the Discord. If you don't want your hand held, then you can stay on Twitter. ASNS is very simple. You know what to do. Needs downtrend break. So ASN needs downtrend break. Right, like up the stream. We got 90 people in here already. Let's go. Everybody retweet the post, my post. Let's see how many likes, see how many people we can get in here. Let's see how many people we can get in here. So we have 100 people in here. Okay. Let's see if we get 200 people in here. Everyone go retweet my post that I just put now for the YouTube. Right, I'll retweet it now so you guys can get it. So everyone go retweet it. The live on YouTube. Let's get everyone in here. Get everyone in there. Everyone. Grandmothers, dads, fathers, stepsister, everyone. Right, Peggy. Everyone's asking about Peggy, Peggy, Peggy. What's going to happen to Peggy? Everybody, Peggy, Peggy, Peggy. Guys. It is expected to break out. There is no 100% guarantee. I expect it to break out. That does not mean go and full port it. You should still trade it as if it's any other trade. Nothing should change. All right? It's expected to break out. I expect it to break out. That is as simple as I can put it. If it doesn't run, it doesn't run. You cannot be upset. All right? NAAS. Let's move this to here. This is your resistance here. NAAS. I like NAAS. I like this. I like this. I like this. NAAS. Right, let's like up the stream. Like it up, like it up, like it up. How many people made some money today? Must have. Everyone had to have made money off my charts today. Literally, everything that I posted went up. So NAS needs 595 break. Right, guys, get your questions in. I'm just going through Twitter for now. So going through Twitter, then I'll go through you guys after. Right? Comprende? Comprende. Right, VLCN play. Let me look. VLCN. VLCN, former runner. Where is it? Traded it unbelievably well. Discord, I gave it to you guys, and Twitter, I gave it to you. Look, it was in this falling wedge. Bullish pennant, which we got. Entered it over here, here, 614, and then bang, all the way to 785. Look left, it got the nice little wick fill. This wick fill over here. So very nice on this one. Right now it's in the demand zone, nothing going on. We have nothing going on. We have this trend. Right now we're bearish. Maybe falling wedge too, but it's coming down pretty quickly. So we have VLCN, downtrend. Downtrend, downtrend, downtrend. Right, how many likes we on here? Come on guys, like it up, like it up. 50 likes, get to 100. We can get to 100. SOUN, 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 SOUN. 597 is your resistance. You need 597 break. So 597 break would be your entry point. Otherwise, I'll look later and see where else we could enter for a nice little day trade in the Discord. So this needs 597. Son needs 597 break. Get 597 break, then you're chilling. Take your profits and you'll be good. Yes, that's correct. BSFC, BSFC, pulling into demand zone. That's it. Heading into demand zone. This is where buys step in. This is a possible reversal. However, I am not going to be entering anything till much later today. If I trade today, we'll see. I've pretty much crushed my goal. Again, yesterday I did amazing, and then today I did as well. So I'm pretty much done for the week, to be honest with you. But yeah, CPI data came out, good news, but doesn't mean the market's going to rally. I'm going to be trading with 50% trade size, which means if I'm normally going with $1 million per trade, I'll go in with 500,000. Right, let me see what else. Let's go. Come on, Peggy, get moving. Everyone's getting emotional to the stock, and it's going to come straight down. Everyone's going to cry. RNLX, RNLX, right here. I don't like these wicks. 0.62, you can wait. Too much wicks going on here. Indecision, indecision. We don't know what the hell's going on. So we need this to break above. We break above this, you're golden. Otherwise, nothing. Anything below is gamble zone. Needs 0.62 break. 0.62 break, 0.62 break. Right, we've got a lot of posts on your BSFC. Okay, guys, if you spam me BSFC, I'm gonna ban block you. Buckets only. I don't know if you're in here, bro, but if you keep spamming that, I'm just gonna block you. Sorry. I am ruthless. I don't care. I'm not a robot. Respect me. Otherwise, I'll just disrespect you and block you. All right? Thank you. Winner needs 181. NNVC, have you checked this one? NNVC, no I have not. NNVC, NNVC, low volume, I don't know, not my kind of chart to be honest. I'll just put your levels for you, key levels, nothing else is interesting on this. NNVC, this was a former run as well. Key levels. Key levels, key levels, key levels. Right, let's catch up with everyone. What up, guys? What up? Let's get some likes. Like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up, like it up. Okay, cool. Let's see. Okay, ready? Hello, hello, hello. Good news. Hello, yes, yes. Hello, what up? Good night from Malaysia. Wow, it's night there. It's 4:40 p.m. here in Dubai. Peggy, I just did Peggy. Everyone saw Peggy. RNLX needs 0.62. If it closes above 0.62, that is your entry. Below like this is what? Nothing. Red means danger. Stay away from the danger. Wait for the 0.62 above entries. ISPC. ISPC is running, sub $1, not really too interested in it, but it's breaking down. Currently breaking out right now. This is your next resistance. See this? You can do 0.45. That's your next key level. Then you have all the way up here. Wow, this is nice. Looks good. If the volume can hold it to keep going. Lates on BSFC down to 250. If you're down more than 10%, cut the play. That's simple as I would do it. There's always other plays. So if you're down more than 10%, cut it, move on, accept the loss, and that's it. KZIA was a very, very nice trade. I did not take it. I didn't look at it. I completely missed it, to be honest with you. But it broke this downtrend, which I had here previously. So this was your entry point. Came down, but looks very good. Could even say it was in a falling wedge setup here. Look, see this? Completely missed this one. There was just so many plays running this morning that I was focused on other plays. But yeah, clean breakout. We can do a little prediction. I think I did another level here. Yeah, I did 163. So here's my prediction. So maybe here, if this holds this level, around here, $1 psychological level, this indicates that there is a possible reversal coming up, but we need to see some more wicks at the bottom of the candles. Prediction. What is it gonna do? What does everyone think? Right, ISPC, NAS, good morning, LGVN. LGVN's here. It needs to hold this, look, it's pretty much in here. If we want to make it accurate enough, we have to touch all the candle wicks, so like this. Like that. This is your possible falling wedge. There's no demand zone, unfortunately, but yeah, this is LGVN. It's still valid, in my opinion. Started at 8, made some, none so far. Oh, none so far. KZI raised around 5. Soup, run away, brother. Run far, 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 far away. I know you've hit your goal already, so run far away. Trust me, you do not want to be trading when CPI data is here. If I did not run a Discord and I did not have any responsibilities, I would be far, far away from the market today. These are the days I just chill. CNSP needs 160, otherwise no entries. So you need to wait for 160. All right. All right. CNSP, if it's coming home, I will. Yeah, is it going to come home? That's the question. It's going to be even sweeter for the English to lose tomorrow. Oh, not tomorrow, whenever they play. Because they got all this far and they got absolutely nothing. RNLX 0.62. No, I'm kidding. I just want England to lose so Southgate can go. Yeah, this looks good for entries. KZIA currently at 102. Worth entries. Morning wait for CPI. CPI's out. 8:30. So 13 minutes ago. LGVN made £50. That's good. You're £50 richer than anyone else. So well done. LGVN said falling wedge. Pally charted. I've not charted Pally, but I will do it. Pally, nothing on Pally. I don't know what this candle wick is. Nothing on Pally, just avoid it. There are all these plays on the left hand side which are 1,000 times better. BSFC made some dollar, nice. MNDR. Right, like up the stream, guys. Let's go. MNDR, what the hell's up with this chart? MNDR is just ranging, so I would just avoid it for now. MNDR. So we have this range. It's just ranging. You don't want to be trading in a range. So stay away from this right now. Stay away. Break above the range is your entry point. Break below the range, who cares? Right there. MNDR ranging. So you do not buy inside a range or when a stock's consolidating. It's extremely high risk. BDRX chart for Vanny. TRNR. Yeah, TRNR nothing. I don't know. Here's your key levels though. This 135. We have Vanny. Vanny is a former runner. Nothing on Vanny. Leave it. Alright, leave it please. Are you still like no BTT? If so. Guys, I don't know why people need me to explain the stock over and over again. If you understand technicals at all, and I know a lot of you are learning, which is fair enough, a larger time frame means what? That it will take longer for the stock to move. This is on the 4-hour chart. So that means each candle, this one is 4 hours, this one 4 hours, this one 4 hours, this one 4 hours. Okay, so you understand what I'm trying to say, right? So with that being said, okay, this is in a bullish pennant. This is a bullish continuation pattern, meaning you expect price to break out. However, each candle, like I said, represents 4 hours, so it will take time for this play to move. If you enter the trade have a max 5% or 7% stop loss, whatever you decide, and then have a realistic target. All right. That is my explanation. Clear as daylight. LGVN's nothing. It's still in this thing. If you want to enter it, you can enter it. $137. Nice. GOVX. This was a very nice play yesterday. Where is GOVX? Yo, Discord members, check out the swings. Check out the swings. Swing trades were cooking. I can't see yet. My broker's not updated. My local broker I'm using. GOVX is nice. Looks good. Bullish, bullish, bullish. Should get 350 today. $2 break on YGMZ. YGMZ. Okay, we had YGMZ. It needs to close above $2. Yes, we need $2. $2. See this? If you close above $2 in the downtrend break, you should be good. You know, that's all I would say for that. Expect BSFC to have price action. Well, I can tell you something about BSFC, right? Right now, at this moment in time, I would not be in the trade. Okay, very simple reasoning. It is in a downtrend. Yes, it's in a demand zone and all good things are well. But for me personally, I would wait. I like to wait for confirmation. BDRX, this one's running, right? I need to add this to my watch list. BDRX, former runners over $1 finally. Go to the 4-hour chart, identify what are the next key levels. So we broke above that, right? Let's look left. We have this one here. So we have 170 as the next resistance. And then we have range all the way up. Wow. To here. There's a huge level here, 263. All right, so these are your levels. So right now there is a high probability that you're getting to 170. This should get to 170. BDRX, you should get 170. 170 is what you should be able to get. Hello, 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 LGVN, QS, 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 QS. QS, is this running right now? Yeah, QS, this is a good setup. So what you can do is draw the downtrend, break downtrend, enter. Right now, like this, breaks the downtrend, you can enter the trade. QS, just keep this on the watch list. So many plays are running. It's very difficult to look at everything. So QS, you need downtrend break. LGVN, ASNS. ASNS is here, nothing unless $2. So you should not be in ASNS now. If you are obviously very, very red if you bought today. Because right now it is pretty much at the low of day. So if you're trying to look for your entry, if you're trying to get in the trade, you have to wait for the downtrend to break. Okay. Eric here, bro. This is it. This is the only Discord link. Okay, please. This is through WAP. We are not on WhatsApp, Telegram, all that bullshit, AI, Forex, scam stuff. All right. We are on WAP. You can go, I guess you can look at the reviews and or whatever, but this is the legit link here, the Tiger Line Trading WAP. It's also in my bio in the Discord. I mean, on my Twitter. Right, let's see. QS, LGV, and ASN. Game. Everyone loves GameStop. GameStop is not going to run for another 50 years, so stay away from it. Here, mark this, save this, whatever you need to do. Bella, if it closes above 26.18, that is your entry point. Otherwise, nothing has happened. Yes, it looks like it's curling up, but it's curled up here, it's rejected, curled up here, rejected, curled up here, rejected, you know. So you have to wait for the confirmation. No worries, C-Lake, CNSP. CNSP is looking like it's reversing, but I would wait for 160. You could try and enter now, have a stop loss at, I would say, 120. So let's see. You have 120 would be your stop loss, and you're looking for 5% from here. So 137 is your target. That's what you can aim for. All right, there. YGMZ, YGMZ, YGMZ. YGMZ needs downtrend break $2. Otherwise, leave it alone. Where do you consider the trend break? How to enter? So here, this is a very simple way to understand. I know you get a lot of new people every day, so I have to pretty much explain the downtrend break. It's very easy. If a candle closes above the downtrend break, that is your entry. The candle can close on the 1 minute chart. It can close on the 5 minute chart. It can close on the 15 minute chart. It can close on the 20, 30, 50 year, whatever time frame you use. If the candle closes above a downtrend, that is considered a breakout, meaning the trend reversal is going to go from bearish to bullish, or the other way around, bullish to bearish. All right. So this is not a candle. This is 8 a.m. wick. Ignore that. It's just a glitch on Webull. You need the candle to close above like this. Okay. So your candle right now is not above this white line. If it closes above that, that is your entry. If the candle does this, right? That is not a closure above, that is a wick, that is a rejection. So you need the candle to close above the downtrend, all right? That should be easy for you to understand. BDRs can I enter now? You can enter now if you would like. Sure. I'm not in it, I'm not touching it, but up to you. I personally don't chase, but if you believe in the play, then up to you. Yeah, exactly. I never chase a play, never, 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 never. People in the Discord never chase either, because they know that when they join the Discord, they are forced to become disciplined and listen to the rules. Otherwise they will not continue, or they will not progress as a trader. They're going to have the same old habits and bullshit crying because they are chasing. BDRX. Here, think about this, Sam. This is the best way I can explain to you. Okay, you see BDRX running. What happens when you normally get a stock and it's running? You probably lose, right? So take a deep breath, step away, run, go for a run around the park, or go take a coffee or have a shower or something, and come back. And then you'll identify, okay, next time I will not get in the trade because it's down 20% from when I would have entered. So the best thing to do is, who cares if it runs an extra 100%? But if it comes down, right, then what's the issue? You're going to be down, right? So just let it do its thing. Who cares? Who cares? Sin, there is nothing on this. Nothing at all. There's a downtrend. Your resistance is here. 691 can be your entry. Otherwise, leave it alone. Leave it alone, all right? So leave it alone, leave it alone, leave it alone. Are you an LGVN? No, I'm not. I'm not in any trades. As I mentioned on Twitter, on the Discord, I mentioned I have sold everything, but I am in 50% size of Peggy. That's it. Don't follow scammer. Yes, please don't. You guys all smart enough, click on my name and you can see it's Tigerline Trades. I don't have a 1 in my name. I don't have a dot. I don't have any of that shit. It's a normal Tigerline Trades. And I will not speak to you like a robot and say, hi, sir. This is my results, all this shit. All right. I'm a normal person. I speak like a normal person. And I always pretty much type in caps as well. That should give you a hint. Right. KTRA. What are we doing? KTRA, nothing. It's just in a demand zone. I would wait for 0.35 if I'm looking for anything. Above 0.35 is where I would consider entries. You could try here and have a stop loss way down here, but it's not really worth it. Luna. I like Luna. It stopped me out this week, so I didn't trade it for the rest of the week. Oh, shit. It actually did what I expected it to. It broke out. Damn it. Well, I missed that one, but yeah. It broke out. It broke out. And I literally wrote here expecting breakout. So well done if anyone got in. Onyedekachi, however you say your name, brother. Please do not spam me. I can see it. You've written it twice. I am not a robot. Please do not do that. Please. Just, that's all I ask. Please. I can see it. Don't worry. I have 2 eyes. Like you. Cavill, LTRY, not yet. LTRY, let me have a look. Oops. All right, LTRY. LTRY doesn't have any volume at the moment. You see? Nothing, nothing, nothing. There's no volume. It's too difficult. No worries, Sabi. No worries, no worries, no worries. VLCN, VLCN. Where's VLCN? It's over here. Yes, VLCN looks very good. Very nice. Got the downtrend break. It was actually in a falling wedge. I just didn't trust it. Look here. This was perfect. Clean breakout on this. Here, this will explain to everyone. We have 140 people in here, okay? If you see a falling wedge like this, all right, this white pattern, this is where you enter inside. You enter here, 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 here. You do not enter on the breakout because what is going to happen? There is no need to get in here because it's expected to break out like LGVN, okay? Look, we are on the 1 hour chart. We are in a falling wedge. That means we expect price to do a reversal. So right now, we are in a downtrend, bearish. We expect the price to go up from here. Nothing is 100% guaranteed, but technically speaking, the price action should do what it's doing and then hopefully push up, right? So you enter inside of here, 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 right? You do not enter up here or you do not enter below. For sure you do not enter below because then it's no longer valid. All right? I hope that makes sense. Anyone if I missed? So yeah, LGVN, yeah, that's what you have. Tiger the best. Thank you, brother. Thank you, Anis. Thank you. I hope you've made some money. Right, 73 likes. Come on, guys. We get to at least 100. Let's go. QS. I don't know. This one's difficult. Difficult, difficult, difficult. We have BDRX. So look, you should not be getting into BDRX. If you got in, that means you chased. That means you FOMO'd, and now you are down. So if you entered right here, where I know most people did, they entered up here somewhere and they are down 13% and now freaking out and they're going to be like, oh, let me keep buying more. So they're trying to buy more, hoping that'll go up. Of course it can go up, right? But now trying to enter the trade now is not a good idea. You are in a downtrend. You are going down. Why are you going to buy when it's going down, right? If you're looking for an entry, all you need to do is what? You need to wait for 164 break. You know, if it breaks the resistance of a high, it's going to continue. There's a higher probability it should. No worries, bro. No worries, no worries, no worries. You missed Cavill. Why? How did I miss Cavill? Oh, you meant to ask chart? There, this is Cavill. 165 is your resistance. 165 break, 180, then $2. Do you prefer trading pre-market? How does opening change in 30 minutes? It doesn't really bother me. I trade the same technicals. It doesn't really bother me, to be honest. It just happens if there are runners pre-market. The more for me, the better, because that's what I trade off, volume and the runners. But nothing changes. I do exactly what I do pre-market, exactly the same thing for intraday at open. I never enter at open. I wait at least 5, 10, 15. Usually, recently, I've been waiting for like an hour after open to give any alerts for the Discord. Meaning give stop loss entry targets and all that, because it's very, very volatile, so I have to wait and be patient. KZIA. Yeah, so people should be in KZIA. I mentioned it. So I mentioned it here at 102, which was here, and you're up 7%. Congratulations if you listened. Well done if you listened. I don't think I've had one red trade this whole pre-market. It's unbelievable. Technicals are fantastic. Fantastic, fantastic. So if you did get in, you should be up 7%. If you're up 7%, you should be out 50% of your position. And that's how you do it. Right? So well done. Congratulations. Congratulations if you listened on KZIA. It's pretty magical what things can do when you understand how to trade and not just pump and dump and care about one stock like Maxin. No one gives an F about Maxin. People are still trying to get in Maxin when there's no need. Right? You literally made all your money back if you followed the charts that I shared the last few days. Right. Do you think Maxim's app will go back? Maxin, just remove it from your watch list, delete it, and never ever look at that stock in your life again. Leave it alone. Why are you going to try and trade Maxin? Why? Why are you going to get in? What is your reason? There is no reason to be in it. It's absolute shit. It's trash. It's just getting pumped. Everyone's just trying to talk about it to make it go. It's not doing anything. I usually buy at the peak. So the best thing to do, Sam, is go onto YouTube and type in reversal patterns and understand how to trade reversal patterns. One reversal pattern is a falling wedge. That is why I use it. BSFC looking to break out now. Let's see. Yeah, BSFC looks good. Looks good. Looks great. You have here your resistance. 270 is your next level. 270, 270, 270. Is there a strategy in entering in a falling wedge? Meaning at what point do you recommend? I just enter usually in the falling wedge. So I enter usually at the bottom of the wedge because that is at the support of a wedge. So for instance, this would have been a chart I would have entered if I saw it. Here's a falling wedge. Anywhere on this line here, the white line, right? This is your support line. So this would have been good entries here, right? So anywhere around here. But it looks good. It looks good. Add when within the range. Within the wedge, anywhere within the wedge. You want to enter at the bottom of the wedge ideally. Or at the wedge, inside of the wedge if it's starting to find an area of support. So for instance, here's a very simple example. We have a falling wedge. So once we identified that there was in a falling wedge, we then identified what area of support. So we enter around here, right? You don't want to be buying at resistance over here, up here, or here, because you want to be buying lower parts of the wedge. BSFC breaking. Yeah, BSFC is breaking. If you're in a pre-market, should you close before open? I personally do, unless I'm up 100% on the play. Not 100%, but like 30, 40%. But since I do YouTube and that, I pretty much do. Someone just asked me how high I think VLCN will go, so I just told them $100,000. Because if someone asks me a stupid question like that, I'm going to give a stupid response. Right, NAAS. Nothing to enter on this unless you get 5.95 break above. MLGO. Haven't seen that one in a while. Is it running? MLGO. MLGO is trying to move up. 24% down yesterday. Yeah, nothing on MLGO. It's getting absolutely ragged. Leave it. Appreciate it, bro. Appreciate it. Seal. If I was getting in Seal, I need to wait for 0.81. Otherwise, nada. Do you normally include wicks for trend lines? It just really depends. Like the main goal of when you're drawing a trend line, okay, is to get touches, the most amount of touches, meaning like this. So here, for instance, okay, I can start here and draw a downtrend, okay, like this, and get 1 touch, 2, 3, 4, 5, right? That's 5 touches. But if I was to do it like this, right, the trend, there's only one trend that I can touch. There's only one line over here, you see? So the ultimate goal is to get the most touches. So on anything you're drawing, any chart you're drawing, it's the same thing. Same rules apply. So like this, for instance, here, you only have what? Right, we have, look, 1 touch, and then let's say 2 touches. But if we did it from here, it's changing a little bit, right? We have, look, we can see what's happening. We have 1 touch, we can have here 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So that's what you want. The more touches, the better, more confirmation. One last question about falling wedge. Is the most common trade that you look for? I look for so many different trades. That's just one of my strategies. HSCS. Right, I'm going to head into Discord. I need to go sort out a few things. HSCS is running. Go to the 4 hour. Where is the next wick fill? Here, 760 incoming. 760 is your next resistance on HSCS. I'm not even going to bother holding this or adding this to my watch list. Too many. MGRX. MGRX. This is pulling back. Nothing. MGRX, look, now that it's way down there, there's no need to be in. Wait for a 0.46 break, then you can look for your entry. Kayla, please don't spam me. No worries, bro. It's fine. I understand. No worries. VRPX is a load of trash. Trash, 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 trash. Nothing unless 174. All right. If you want to make money, okay, you can, there's two things. You can either join the Discord where you will get the alerts first with entry, stop loss targets and everything in there, and learn with the seminars and everything, and live trade with myself and Hassie. Or you can just follow me on Twitter for free and I post setups. That's it. Doesn't mean that I'm in a trade. It doesn't mean you have to buy. It's up to you what you decide. RNLX. RNLX, you need 0.62 is your entry. That's it. All right. Okay. Great stream, guys. Thank you for joining. Tomorrow I might do YouTube. I'll see. I'm gonna go play golf. I've got some things I need to do. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Thank you again for all the support on Twitter. I greatly appreciate everyone. Thank you so much. I will see you all in the Discord. This is the link for the Discord here. So this is the only link, right? Do not join any other shit, spamming stuff. That is the only link. I understand I have a lot of bots and fake people under my accounts, okay? Which is out of my control. But yeah, that is the only link. The WAP link, Tiger Line Trading, join it if you want to. It's there, right? Discord members, live trading link will be sent out in 20 minutes. I'll see you guys there. Have a great day, guys. Thank you so much. I appreciate you all. Peace out, guys.